Hey everybody, how's it going? Today we're going to be going over how to stem out your vocals in a mix and how to bounce them down and isolate them. So to start off, what you want to do is you need to find every single track inside your mix that contains vocals that you want for your bounce down. In this instance, it's these three white tracks: hook, mains, and ad-libs. So what I'm going to do is solo each one of those tracks. To solo more than one track at a time, you want to hold down Command or Control, and that allows you to select multiple solo buttons together. So now that I have them all selected, what I'm going to do is select the length of the track that I want to render down. Once I have it selected, I'm going to hit Command or Control Shift R. What that does is it's going to bring up my Export Audio Video Preferences panel. Once you're here, you're just going to want to hit Export. And that's it. This will bounce down your vocal stems, and it will only be the vocal tracks that you selected and soloed out. I hope you guys learned something. Remember, give us a like, comment, or subscribe. We really appreciate all of it. Thanks, guys. Peace.